And, you know, we had gone to the one food before switching over to your raw, and I swear the difference with the raw with Zephyr is just night and day.
So cool to hear.
I remember telling you guys when I was taking him for a walk, and I think it was his 3 weeks he was on it or something, or for a month maybe, and then I was walking him on his leash, and then all of a sudden he just got the zoomies out of nowhere. Literally, we were just in like this big like field area, and there was nothing around, and all of a sudden he just stopped and did that stance, you know what I mean? And then was like, did that kind of move, and I just let that leash go, and I was like, you do those zoomies, and it just warmed my heart so much to have that back, because, you know, he's 11, he's gonna be 12 in December. So with this food, that was the greatest switch I've ever made for him, especially.
We bring the groove, shake it, wag it, make you move. Pure positivity, it's how we play, brighten up your everyday. Pause to the rhythm, heart so free. Pure positivity for you and me. One big pack under the sun. Pure positivity. Pure positivity.